Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the Christmas event part 2 in Grow a Garden. So it says right now, the gift that you will receive is a common gift. You can repeat gift here, but you will need Robux. But basically, you'll need to submit Christmas mutated plants. Here's every gift you can get. Common gift, or a gift, mythical gift, gold gift, rainbow gift. Here's what you can get for the common one. Rare one, pine beetle, mythical, eggnog chicken, gold gift, Christmas cracker and cocoa cat, and rainbow gift, kind of the same items, well, similar items here. And I just got the common gift. This is what it looks like, and let's open it together. And I got, ooh, a Christmas egg, yay! Okay, I want to see, okay, I'm gonna hatch one, but it's for another video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.